This is the first time I played with my big brother. And this is what I did to him. I shoot the 7 ball right now. And I have a good position to shoot the 8 ball. And a good shot. So I will shoot the last ball, the 9 ball. Perfect.